Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are trying to update your iPhone to iOS 26 and you keep getting that super annoying pop-up that says unable to check for update, don't worry, you are definitely not the only one. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix it. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. If it feels slow, switch to another Wi-Fi or even try using a mobile hotspot. Solution 2. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve system glitches. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button together. Then drag the slider to power off. Wait for few seconds. Then turn it back on. Solution 3. Toggle airplane mode. Swipe down to open the control center. Turn on airplane mode. Wait for about 10 seconds. Then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connection quickly. Solution 4. Check date and time settings. This is super important because if your date and time settings are not correct, Apple services might block the update. Here how to fix it. Go to Settings app, tap on General, then tap on Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on. That way your iPhone always syncs the right time with Apple services. Solution 5. Turn off VPN and DNS. If you are using a VPN, it can interfere with the connection. Go to Settings app, tap on General, scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. Tap VPN. If you see a VPN listed, disconnect it or turn off the switch. Solution 6. Reset network settings. This will reset all of your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and VPN settings. But don't worry, it won't delete your personal data. Open Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings. Confirm it and your iPhone will reboot. Solution 7. Using a computer. If nothing else works, plug your iPhone into a Mac or Windows PC. On Mac, open Finder, or on Windows, open iTunes. Select your device and click Check for Update. And that's it. These are the ways to fix the problem unable to check for update error on iOS 26. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.